here. So you got we're on a payments earned page. And if I just scroll down, I'll just show you some of the earnings that I've made. Just have a look at this actually. You got on the 21st here, you got $100 here, $500 there, $25 there. So that's $625 in a single day. Just below that, you got $3,000 here, and I believe there's another $100 there as well. So that's $3,100 in a single day. You know, so I don't know what the average salary is in America or around the world, but you know, $3,000 in a single day is, you know, it's probably life changing for a lot of people. If you know, depending on your financial situation. You know, if I just keep scrolling down here, you can see some of the earnings I've made, and you know, the only difference is, I mean, just take a look at this. If you have a look here, from the 30th here, straight all the way up to here, this is 1 day's earnings. So if I add that up, you're looking at $100 here, 2, 3, 4, $500 there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, $600. 1, 2, 3, 4, $700, and then 1, 2. You're looking at $750 again in a single day. And just below that, have a look over here, and on the 29th, you're looking at $500 here, $1,000 here, another $1,000 there, and $500 there. That's another $3,000 in a single day. So money is there to be made. So I'm just showing you how much money I'm making. And the reason I made this video wasn't really to kind of show off and to brag, to say, hey, look how much money I'm making. I actually made a video because I wanted to show you what is possible. You see, you're on YouTube right now, you're watching this video, and you probably heard that there's a lot of money being made on the internet, and you're probably looking for somebody to show you exactly how you can be able to do the same. Well, if you click the link in the description, I'm going to show you what I did in order for me to make money on the internet. And again, you know, I'm just a regular guy, you know, nobody special. You know, I'm married, I have 4 kids, this is my home office on a day-to-day basis. I spend a couple of hours on my laptop there, and that's it. You know, if I want to get on a plane and fly to wherever I want to fly to, I can be able to do that. Like the video was watching, I was in Atlanta, right now I'm in London. You know, so again, I'm not, you know, trying to brag and to show off, but I just want you to know what is possible. And if you're looking for a way to make more money, make extra income, or to change your financial future, whatever the reason is that brings you to searching for how to make money on the internet, click the link in the description, and I'll show you exactly what I've been doing in order for me to make money on the internet. That's it. My name is Samuel Golden. You take care.